we're gonna drop this stub. Trying to drop it, the butt will land on here if it doesn't stay on the stump. And we're gonna try to drop it on this log so we don't damage anything. It's got a pretty good lean out towards the house, but hoping to drop it right there nicely so it lands up here above the flowers and in the wood pile there to kind of cushion it so we don't wreck anything. Well, that came together pretty good. Couldn't have gone better. There it is, folks. Stumps are left, but everything is looking pretty good. You can hardly tell somebody took down a tree. That's what we like. Another stump.